Assalamu alaikum dear students, happy summer vacation. Hope you all are fine. I am Nida Akmal, your social studies teacher. I am going to present an instructional video to guide you all to do your summer holiday work. Your summer work of social studies based upon 19 activities. These activities will not only enhance your creativity but also increase your knowledge, and you will able to search according to your topic. So let's start from activity number 1. In activity number 1, you just have to label this diagram about the river key features. If you found any difficulty, so you can follow the reference link given below. Activity number 2 is about the climatic regions of the world. You have to fill these columns about given climatic regions. For example, if you are going to start from aquatic salt water, so you have to tell the earth's surface and physical features of aquatic salt water. In second column, you have to tell about climate, weather and seasons of aquatic salt water. In third column, you have to tell the vegetation. Vegetation means plants of aquatic salt water. And in fourth column, you have to fill about the animal details of aquatic salt water. By using this criteria, you have to fill all these columns. If you found any difficulty, so you can follow the link given below, and you can also take help from your geography book of class 6 unit number 3 page 33 to 45. You can also take help from ChatGPT, Meta AI and Google. Activity number 4 is about the landform and physical features of the earth. You already studied in class 6 about these physical features, and you also studied in your first term, and your first chapter is about plains and rivers. So you can take help from these two chapters, and you can also take help from the Google and ChatGPT. Here is some reference link given below. Activity number 5 and activity number 6 is also about the landforms and physical features of the earth. So you can use previous references of activity number 3 and 4 to do this activity. Activity number 7 is about climate change. Here are simple true false statements about climate change. So you can do it easily. If you have any difficulty, so you can take help from your geography book and unit number 5 page number 59 to 71. You can also take help from Google and ChatGPT. In activity number 1, you just have to label this diagram about the river key features. If you found any difficulty, so you can follow the reference link given below. Activity number 9 and activity number 10 is about the settlement, early settlers and modern settlers. Early settlers are about the rural life, village life, lack of facilities, and second activity number 10 is about modern settlement like cities. You have a lot of facilities but also have some disadvantages. So the rural life is also have advantages and disadvantages as well, same as it is urban life has some advantages and disadvantages. So you can do this activity by help of Google, ChatGPT and your book of geography class 7 unit number 3 page number 28 to 52. Activity number 11 is so simple. You just have to tell the sources from where you get knowledge from the past. You can also take help from Google and ChatGPT to do this activity. Activity number 5 and activity number 6 is also about the landforms and physical features of the earth. So you can use previous references of activity number 3 and 4 to do this activity. Activity number 13 is about the types of rock. You just have to sort the type of rock from the given picture and write down these rocks in respective column. You can take help from Geography book of class 6, unit number 1, page 1 to 19, and you can also take help from ChatGPT, MAAN and Google. Here is some reference link also to help you. Activity number 14 is about the history. Here is some introduction of history. You just have to look these pictures and write the correct name or event next to the picture. If you studied them in primary school, then you have to tick them. If you have any difficulty, you can also take help from Google, but it is based upon your prior knowledge. This activity of number 15 is about the chronology and chronological order. You have already studied in class 7 first assessment. You just have to put these events from your morning into chronological order. This is very simplest activity, and in second part of this activity, match the correct chronological terms with its meaning. Like week have 7 days, so you have to match the week with 7 days. So this is simple activity, you can do it easily. Activity number 16 is about what do BC and AD means. So here is simple description about BC and AD, and here are some simple activities about how do we count centuries. A good description is already given in these activities about BC, AD and how to count centuries. For making this topic more easy, you can also follow link given below to take help. Activity number 17 is skipped, so you don't have to do this activity. Activity number 18 is also about the settlement types. You just have to fill some information like what kind of buildings and services would you expect to find in each kind of settlement, and how many people do you think might live there. You have to fill this information about city, large town, small town, village and hamlet. You can also take help from Geography book, unit number 3, page 28 to 42, and you can also follow the reference link. You can also take help from ChatGPT, MAAN and Google. Your last activity, activity number 19, is about ancient Egypt. This activity is based upon prior knowledge. You already studied this topic in class 6, unit number 2, page 12 to 16. So you have to do this activity with the help of this chapter, and you can also take help from ChatGPT, MAAN and Google. This is simple activity and you can do it very easily. Thank you so much students for your attention. Hope this video will help you a lot to do your summer holiday work. So enjoy your summer vacations. Allah Hafiz.